Have you ever tried capturing the feeling of movement in water or painting something that feels both still and alive at the same time? In today's video, we are going to sketch and paint a black-spotted stingray gliding over vibrant coral reef. And I will show you how to combine pen lines with wet-on-wet watercolor for that soft underwater atmosphere. So if you have been wanting to practice textures and flow in your painting, this is a perfect one to try. Let's get started. Here's a basic line sketch of the stingray I prepared earlier. You can see how I kept the shape quite simple, just focusing on that fluid wing-like motion of the fins and that long curling tail. I haven't outlined it with ink yet. We will save that step until after the first wash. To create underwater background, I'm wetting the area around the stingray first, leaving the body most dry. I'm starting with a wash of cobalt blue with a touch of paste gray, just to give it that slightly deeper ocean feel. While that's still wet, I will add some loose shapes with rose metal dip, cadmium orange, and a mix of cadmium orange and green to suggest the coral reef below. The trick here is to keep your brush strokes loose. Just let the colors flow and mingle to create an organic look, like looking through moving water. that everything is dry, I'm switching to my fountain pen to outline the stingray. This part always feels satisfying, adding that clean contrast to make your suggest pop. I'm also drawing in some loose coral textures, just playful lines and dots to suggest different coral structures without overcomplicating it. Next, I'm wetting the Stingray's body to start building up some tone. I'm using a very light gray wash, mostly paste gray with a touch of blue, and letting it softly spread over the shape. Keep it gentle here. We want the body to feel smooth and translucent, like it's gliding through the filtered light. While the paint is still damp, I'm going with a darker mix of paste gray to aid those black spots across the Stingray's back. You will notice how the spots slightly soften at the edges. That's exactly what we want. It mimics the way patterns blur slightly underwater. I'm also deepening a few areas with the second pass of the gray wash just to add dimension. And that's it, our black spotted Stingray is complete. I love how the softness of the watercolor contrasts with the defined pen lines. It really helps tell the story of movement and stillness at the same time. If you gave this a try, I'd love to see your version. Feel free to tag me or share it in the comments. And if you enjoyed this one, check out my video on painting dolphins in 2 colors. It's a super relaxing painting with lots of blending practice. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want more watercolor and pen sketch tutorials. See you in the next one.